Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and okay. In this video tutorial, we are going to update our Android Studio. Our Android Studio version is 4.1.1. Recently, we have seen that there is an update of the latest stable version, which is 4.1.2. So we are going to update from 4.1.1 to 4.1.2. Let's start updating, because sometimes whenever you are going to work with Android Studio, you do have to check often whether there is an update or not. In future, there will be a lot of updates. From time to time, you do have to update your Android Studio. So it is also recommended to update Android Studio so that you can code efficiently. Let's start Android Studio, and then we are going to update our Android Studio version 4.1.1 to 4.1.2. Starting Android Studio right now. Here is our Android Studio. This is the project that we are working on right now. This is the simple project. We are not going to create a new project here. So we are opening an existing project, which is this one. Opening that right now. Let's check its version. Okay, we are not working in this project right now. Our main focus is to update this one. Checking this version right now. As you can see, this is Android Studio version 4.1.1. okay, recently there is an update, and which is 4.1.2. okay, so let's update that one. You have to be online. Right now we are online. You can click on help, and then you can check for updates. Okay, as you can see here, there is a pop-up message, Android Studio 4.1.2 available. There is a blue update word there. This is the information that you need to see. Okay, so click on this one, update, and you have to agree their terms and conditions. Okay, indicated development environment and plugin updates. Okay, the latest stable release of Android Studio is now available for download. Android Studio 4.1.2 is a major new release and includes performance improvements, bug fixes, and new features. The new features that are fixed or updated in this version 4.1.2, we are going to update it. Okay, updating 4.1.1 to 4.1.2. In your case, it might be higher than this version. You do have to check from time to time and update. There is also an update like beta version, okay, which is 4.2. we are not going to that beta version right now, but updating this one, and we are going to update and we will restart the Android Studio. So let's start updating. Clicking on update and restart. Okay, we are pausing our video right now. When it is done, we will come back. As you can see, this is started updating. So pausing right now, and we will come back when it is done. Right now it is applying patches, and you can also see the details of this version, and start cleaning up. I think it is done. This will show up when it is done, what is new in 4.1. okay, these are the things that are new in 4.1. you can also check that, and we are minimizing that right now. So here there will be another pop-up that Android Studio 4.2 beta 4 available. okay, and we are not going to beta version. We are going to use the stable version 4.1.2, and you can see the version right now, whether it is updated or not. You can see about, and you can see it is not anymore 4.1.1. it is 4.1.2 right now. I hope that you have understood, okay, how to update, how to check for updates, and how to update it from one stable version to another stable version. Or if you like, then you can update, you can follow this, and you can update to beta version, okay, 4.2 beta version, to test it out. So that's it. In future you will have a lot of updates. Updating is recommended as well. You are welcome to check other videos in our channel. If you like any video, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial video. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye.